At the end of the video, we'll point you to a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot. Setting up an LLC, limited liability company, for Uber or any other business involves several steps. Here's a general guide to help you through the process. 1. Research state requirements. LLC formation requirements vary by state. Visit the website of your state's Secretary of State or Corporations Division to learn about specific regulations, forms, and fees. 2. Choose a name. Select a unique name for your LLC that complies with your state's naming rules. Your chosen name must typically include Limited Liability Company, LLC, or an abbreviation. Check the availability of your desired name to ensure it's not already in use. 3. Registered agent. Designate a registered agent who can receive legal documents and official correspondence on behalf of your LLC. The registered agent must have a physical address in the state where your LLC is formed. 4. File articles of organization. Prepare and file the articles of organization, sometimes called Certificate of Formation or Certificate of Organization, with your state's business filing office. This document typically includes basic information about your LLC, such as its name, address, registered agent, and purpose. 5. Operating agreement. Although not always required by law, it's advisable to create an operating agreement for your LLC. This document outlines the ownership structure, management roles, voting rights, and operating procedures of the company. 6. Obtain an EIN. Apply for an Employer Identification Number, EIN, from the Internal Revenue Service, IRS. An EIN is a unique identifier for your business and is necessary for tax purposes, hiring employees, opening bank accounts, and more. 7. State business licenses and permits. Depending on your location and the nature of your business, you may need to obtain additional licenses or permits from your state, city, or county. Check with the appropriate authorities to ensure compliance. 8. Tax registration. Register your LLC for state and local taxes, such as sales tax or payroll tax, if applicable. You may also need to register for federal taxes with the IRS, depending on your business activities. 9. Open a business bank account. Establish a separate bank account for your LLC to keep your personal and business finances separate. This is important for maintaining the limited liability protection offered by the LLC structure. 10. Insurance. Consider obtaining business insurance to protect your LLC and its assets. Depending on your business activities, you may need general liability insurance, commercial auto insurance, or other types of coverage. 11. Comply with ongoing requirements. After forming your LLC, you'll need to fulfill ongoing compliance obligations, such as filing annual reports, paying taxes, and renewing licenses and permits. 12. Consult professionals. While setting up an LLC is relatively straightforward, it's a good idea to consult with legal, tax, and financial professionals to ensure compliance with all legal requirements and to address any specific needs or concerns related to your business. Remember to research and follow the specific requirements and regulations in your state to ensure a smooth and legal establishment of your Uber LLC. Thank you for watching. As we conclude this video, go to the description below this video for a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot.